Hello, welcome everyone. Today we will understand about this Azure RBAC role based access control versus Azure policies. So if we go to Azure RBAC and Azure policies means, so this both are very important in Azure. If they are working together, it will make our system more secure. Either one of them alone focus on the security picture, but if they work together means we will get the our resources, make them more secure system. So let us understand RBAC. So it will be deciding the users in Azure AD that are assigned built-in or custom roles that can perform certain tasks. These roles have specific conditions like multi-factor authentication or a specific device that are evaluated to see if the user can perform certain tasks. If the user meets the condition, they granted access to the operation. So this is role-based access control. So Azure RBAC manages who has access to resources, what areas they have access to do, and what they can do with those resources. This RBAC speaks about these features. But Azure policy, on the other hand, it speaks about the resources resources properties. In other terms, we can say there are rules. It will be stored by built-in rules also stored in policy, so that define what the corporate standard. Let us say, suppose company wants some fixing some corporate standard means. So we can create the policy according to the corporate standard and we can apply to our resources. So suppose for example all VMs should have firewall means we can apply one policy which will be which all our resources will meet this compliance. So those properties are evaluated against the policy definition, and if they match the resource means it is reported as complaint. So the key difference between these two are so Azure policy evaluates state by examining properties on resources which are represented in Azure Resource Manager and properties of some resource provider also. And so it will not restrict actions, but it will ensure that resource state is compliant to our business standards. So so who made the without it may be if it is applied means nobody can change. So who has the permission, that one only he will be eligible to change the policy. But RBAC focusing managing user actions at different scopes. If control of an action is required, then RBAC is the correct tool to use. Even if an individual has access to perform an action, the result is a non-compliant resource means Azure policy will blocks the create or update. So here Azure policy will take a precedence, but both combination Azure RBAC and Azure policy will provide the full scope control in Azure. So this is the difference between RBAC and Azure policy in Azure. Let us see similar concepts in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.